Hi, everybody. It's Helen McConnell here from helenmcconnell.com. I am your tapping expert. Today, I would like to introduce kind of a new approach to tapping. Um, I hope you can go along with this. This combines tapping and all the other things that I like to bring to tapping. So the first thing I'd like you to do is notice how you're feeling. Notice your emotional state. Do you like how you feel? Think about something that bothers you and notice how you feel when you think about it. Think about someone who bothers you and notice how you feel when you think about them. Now, I invite you to notice what you're thinking about when you think about them. Just be aware of your thoughts. No need to journal at all or anything like that. Now, take a really deep breath and now decide how you'd like to feel. So I might be really angry, but I'd like to feel peaceful. I might be really frustrated, but I'd like to feel more peaceful. I might be feeling sort of hateful, but I'd like to feel more love in my heart. Or it doesn't even have to be that extreme, because from hate to love is the extreme, right? But somewhere in between, I feel like I feeling filled with hatred, and I'd like to feel neutral. Or I'd like to feel angry. That would be better than feeling hate. Anything like that. Just notice a way you'd like to feel. Now go back to those original thoughts that you were thinking when you noticed how you feel about this person or this situation, and you noticed what you were thinking about. Do those thoughts support your desired feeling? So if you were angry at someone and you were thinking, oh, they're such a jerk and they're always so selfish and they never think about me, but you'd rather feel neutral or uplifted or loving, do those thoughts support how you'd like to feel? No, no, they don't, do they? They don't support this new feeling. So this is like doing an algebra problem. Those thoughts are not going to work to get you to this new feeling, nor is telling the person that you're mad at them. That's not going to work either. This change has to come from within you. You have to change your thinking. I've been saying this for years, probably a decade. If you want anything to change, you have to change your thinking. No, you don't have to change the other person, because that's not going to work. That may work on a short-term basis, but it will never work long-term. So get that out of your repertoire, that I don't like how they're behaving, so I have to change them. Just get that out of your repertoire and decide what kinds of thoughts would support how you want to feel. If you want to feel more loving, you have to be thinking more loving thoughts. Now, if you can't in this moment find more loving thoughts about this situation or this person, find more loving thoughts about something else, something that you can feel loving toward. I hope this makes sense. So we're going to do a little tapping to kind of bring that all together. Just tap and say, even though I'm feeling so frustrated, when I think about that situation or that person, I love and accept myself, and I'd rather feel more peaceful. And then just a little aside, the reason you want to feel more peaceful is because that's your more natural state. It is your natural state. I don't care what anybody else tells you. It is your more natural state to feel peaceful and calm, and it's better for you. Okay, it doesn't help you to be in an upset state. It doesn't help them either. Okay, so let's do it again. Even though I feel so frustrated and maybe a little angry, when I think about that person or that situation, I love and accept myself. And I'd rather feel more loving. Even though I've been thinking those frustrating and negative thoughts, and now I'm wanting to feel more loving, I'm noticing that that's not going to work. But I love and accept myself. And I choose to know that I can find more loving thoughts about them or that situation, or more loving thoughts about anything. Just imagine that. Just imagine learning how to think more loving thoughts most or all of the time. Okay, so tap on top of your head and say, I feel so frustrated on the eyebrow, and I keep thinking frustrated thoughts. Side of the eye. I'd rather feel more loving. Under the eye. So I need to find some more loving thoughts. Under the nose and focus on those. On the chin. Could it really be that simple? On the collarbone. It seems like it could. Under the arm. And I choose to know, top of the head, that this is a practice. On the eyebrow, just like everything else. Side of the eye. I'm not going to get perfect at it. Under the eye, but I'm going to get way better at it. Under the nose. Now that I know to observe my thinking. On the chin. My thinking causes my emotions. Collarbone. If I want my emotional state to change, under the arm, I have to change my thinking to match where I want to be. All right, and then just take a nice deep breath in and out. This may not sink in with you the first time you do it, and it often does. But if it doesn't, keep doing it, because I promise you that this is the beginning of the answer to all your problems. The answer isn't looking out there and trying to fix something out there. The answer is always within. And I don't mean like within, like you have to blame yourself or take responsibility for everything, but it is an inside job. We make great transformation when we start from the inside, then it comes out. If you found this video informative or helpful or curious or anything else, please subscribe to my channel. Even if you didn't like it, please subscribe to my channel, because I put out lots of great tapping videos and I want to be your tapping practitioner. Thanks for watching.